Hi everybody, I'm Bubba and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a sheep character. So grab a paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the head of the sheep. It's this rounded shape like this. We're going to stop and leave a little space right here so we can draw the wool. There we go. We're going to do a curved line going this direction, and then a few rounded, lumpy shapes going all the way around like that. Perfect. Next, let's give our sheep some eyes. We'll do a circle and another circle, and then two lines underneath the eyes, and then we'll fill in the pupils like this. Two eyebrows above, a little line for the nose, and then a smile underneath. That looks great. Just a couple details, and then two ears on top of the head. Then let's come down and add the legs. We'll do two lines, and then two squiggly lines like that, like a W, and then we'll repeat that process another 3 times. So there's 1, there's 2, and then our last one, there's 3. Then I'll add a few shadows on the legs, and then a little tail in the back, and then maybe a few shapes inside for texture. A couple details. And there we have a sheep character.
Yeah.
Good job. You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back really soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye. If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye.